Are you tired of waking up in the morning and wondering, what am I going to do to make my house payment or my car payment? How am I going to pay all my credit card debt? Are you wondering how you're going to attract money? Magic money. It's available to you and it will chase you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your copy of Miracles While You Sleep. If you're interested in money and making money easily, visit this site, Miracles While You Sleep. This program literally works for 8 hours on your subconscious mind to help you attract your deepest desires and goals. miracleswhileyousleep.com. High flyers, true abundance, true wealth and prosperity always comes from within. I know you think the harder you work, the longer you work, if you could just get the right job, everything would change. But first, it begins with your beliefs. If you have beliefs of wealth and prosperity, then wealth and prosperity are flowing into your life. I've never ever, and I've worked with many, I've never met a millionaire who thought of himself or herself as poor. Never. High flyers, we live in a time when so many people see themselves as victims. Here is how they stand. Give me, give me, give me. But that isn't the path to wealth. You will never find a wealthy person who sees themselves as a victim when it comes to attracting money. You see, money is like magic. It's that invisible energy, it's vibration. That's all it is. And once you learn to tap into that vibration, you can literally attract it. It can literally come to you so easily and so fast, it will chase you. High flyers, poor people though, they see themselves as victims. And the more you see yourself as a victim, high flyers, this is a truth. The more you see yourself as a victim, the more you create a negative vortex of energy around you that literally repels opportunity, repels wealth, repels money. I hear people tell me all the time, well, Robert, if you only knew my circumstance, if you only knew my situation, if you only knew my background, if you only knew where I came from, if you only knew my child, if you'd only walk a mile in my shoes. But high flyers, let me share with you just a handful of people that went totally bust. Lost it all before they became famous and wealthy. Number one, MC Hammer went totally bust before he became very, very wealthy. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States. He had so many defeats, but once he believed, once he grabbed that invisible energy cord within himself and pulled it and said, I can do this, nothing could stop him. Walt Disney, I believe, filed bankruptcy twice. Think about that. Have you been to Disneyland lately? Walt Disney did okay because he changed his beliefs. He took control of his beliefs and he never allowed himself to be a victim. And I know a lot of you are tuning out right now. You want to remain a victim. That's okay. There are other channels for that will be happy to let you know what a victim you are. But not here. You're not a victim. You're a co-creator of your reality. How about P.T. Barnum, the founder of the Barnum and Bailey Circus? George Foreman, the former heavyweight champion. He went bust. And then he came back. And you've probably seen him on TV advertising a million things, including the George Foreman grill, right? Willie Nelson and Elton John. Those are just a few of the people that went bust, had nothing, and made it to the top, began soaring like a big, beautiful eagle. So high flyers, it really begins with understanding and recognizing that everything in the universe is energy. Everything is energy, and so is money. Oh, I love the vibration of money. How about you? Anyway, think about the feeling of money. Okay, just think about it. Think about how energy and magnetism can affect your whole life. Think about how money, which is energy, which is a type of magnetism, can affect your life. Imagine somebody's knocking at the door right now. They're knocking at the door. Knock, 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 knock. And they've got a pile of money for you. Over $1 million, a huge stack of money. How do you feel? What would be going through your mind? Oh my God. When I was a kid, there was a TV show called The Millionaire. And this guy literally knocked on a person's door and gave them $1 million. And people would scream and people would go, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. All that money. You see, money changes the way you feel. But if you want to attract money, first you must get the feeling, and then comes the money. You see, high flyers, if you've got all these incredible, optimistic, wonderful, happy, incredible feelings because you've got $1 million, you've got to have those feelings before the $1 million arrives. The money it's there. The money you desire is right there, and it will chase you. It will hound you. Money will come at you from directions you've never imagined. But first, you've got to have that feeling. And listen, if you are a co-creator of your reality, certainly you can co-create those positive, optimistic feelings of wealth within yourself. You see, high flyers, as a co-creator, as you begin to shift, that's the word, shift from negative feelings about money, worry and fear and doubt about money, anxiety about money, as you shift from that to the expression of, I've got so much money. It feels so good. You literally begin to influence the money matrix in the universe. And money begins to act as magic. And it literally chases you. So many people, they just have bad feelings about money. I've heard people say, I wish money didn't exist. Okay, but it does. So why would you even let your mind go there? Money exists. Other people say, well, it's not right that he has all that money. Yeah, considering that he worked 30 years for it to build it, it is right that he has all that money. You see, anytime you resent somebody for having wealth, you envy somebody for having money, you put yourself down and you're saying to the universe, I detest the vibration of money. So the universe says, well, hey, you detest the vibration of money, we better not give you any. But when you start saying, I love the vibration of money, I don't have to like everybody's business practices. I don't have to like their beliefs, but I can admire their ability to attract money into their lives. And as I do that, I build up this love relationship with the vibration of money, and I begin to attract it into my life as well. High flyers, when you recognize that you are priceless, that there is no amount of money in the entire universe that can equal your value, that you are the most priceless gem in the entire universe. When you realize that, then money is no longer above you, it's below you. And it's easy to attract because you're worth more than money. You see, a lot of times people believe, have you ever heard the old saying, I'm worth more dead than alive? That's a stupid saying, because you are so valuable, so priceless, so unique in all of time and all of space. You are a co-creator of your reality. And when you believe that and accept that, then money is too damn easy to make. I believe that you and I, as co-creators of our reality, we need to give more in order to receive more. Give more of ourselves. Give more of our time. Give more of our energy. Give more of our love. Give more. If you're in the bakery business, give. You're not selling cupcakes. You're selling love with a little bit of frosting on top of it. If you're in the mentoring business and helping people out, you're not just selling your time. You're selling love with some positive, optimistic advice. If you're a lawyer, you're selling legal advice wrapped in love. You see, when you take everything that you do and you wrap it in love and passion and excitement and enthusiasm, and you give more, you will receive more. High flyers understand that this isn't an audition. This is life. This is your journey. And I can tell you from my own experience, you can go through life poor, or you can go through life with abundance and money and prosperity. The choice is yours. So if the choice is yours, and let me just put it this way, develop a deep, personal, spiritual relationship with Source, and develop a deep, personal, spiritual relationship with money. Do both and marry them together. You see, money, if you believe that everything in the universe was created by Source, by God, then money is a part of that creation. Learn to develop a deep connection spiritually with money. Here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.